So by the way, my name is Gerald na yung tour guide. Tsaka yung driver natin si Kuya Gil. So our tour will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. May tatlong stopovers po tayo. Tsaka yung average stopover, bibigyan ka ng 5 to 7 minutes para makapag-tour. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. If you have further questions po, you can ask me later, sir.
Mama, here's the table in the top, Mama.
Okay, so to start with, on your left side, yung may mga huts po. Yan yung fishing village natin.
Kuya Shay?
So kung gusto niyo po mag-fishing dyan, we will provide you the fishing rods and baits. Pero once na mahuling fish, it's either tilapia or hito, consider na po yan sa resort. So babayaran niyo po talaga yan. 350 pesos per kilo ng isda. Ito naman mga Philippine brown deer or the native deer po, mga usa. And then on your far right side, we have your Vista cottages, yung mga brown cottages po. So good for 2 persons per room po yan, 4,400 pesos per night. With breakfast na po yan, good for 2 only. So pang lovers, honeymooners, and couples. On your right side again, may yellow building po. That is our biggest function hall here, garden hall. You can accommodate up to 300 people, making it suitable for conventions, seminar workshops, team building activities, wedding ceremonies, and other functions. On your left side again, another consumption area ng mga Philippine brown deer or the native deer po, mga usa ulit. Dinadaanan natin kanina sa taas po. Ayan, so nagsimula po yan sila sa isang parish since 1996 dito. And now we have more than 30 Philippine deer na po, 30. So for now, consider na po yan sila na endangered species. That is why we're propagating them here. Saka pinapakain namin sila ng leftover berries or leftovers. So vegetarian sila dito. Yung mamay sumay po lalaki yung walang pa. So yun, identification. Holiday terraces, multi-purpose functional again. Can accommodate up to 70 people, 70. Tapos yung nasa taas po, mga mangosteen trees. Mangosteen. May mga bunga na yun po ngayon, pero hilaw pa. Harvesting time niya normally mga month of August. Karayuan Festival dito sa Davao. So Garcinia Mangostana covers 3 hectares po yan dito.
Yes, sir.
On your left side naman, Mickey Mouse plant.
Mama, Mickey
Yung
Mouse?
nadaanan nyo kanina sa ano,
Mama, Mickey Mouse?
kulay yellow orange. Hindi yan nakakain for decoration purposes only. Ito mga spider flower cleon.
Spider flower.
Sit down.
Mickey Mouse.
So ito na yung first stopover po natin, flower garden in the amphitheater. We have here more than 50 different varieties of flowers po. Again, first stopover natin.
Mama, trade zone.
So plate number 566 po tayo.